Hi guys, JNMC 2100 here, putting a new clamp on. But I've had to like take my
see then, right, read the next
bars off, but the Ultra Pro,
we've done that bit.
the Ultra Pro is so amazing, it's just a one-piece bar so you don't have to take the forks out or anything. I don't know what that is.
It's your Pro Kit money.
Yeah, I know, they didn't ask for it.
Where do you put the stars then?
Wait, let me get a close up of how rusty it is.
Put these in it.
There's my
Right, do
hand.
that.
Wait, can I just... Look. My headset's not rusty anymore, but that is...
How done it?
So that goes onto the bars.
No.
Wait, is it on the right way? Is the razor symbol facing with the crump?
She's talking to you.
Yeah, so pull that.
Yes, hang on, Jake.
She's
It's a bit
talking to
tight.
you.
Oh, sorry.
Now he's got his some new school socks.
Rough, do look what?
No.
Look, wait.
With
Clean
bows on.
hand. Yeah, now try and... Wait, is that straight? Oh god, no, tire the way.
Oh, we can do it right.
Hey, you want to do long jump?
Long jump, yeah. Wait, can someone start?
Done it?
Mommy, can you hold this down? There. There. Mommy, can you hold this down? Like the scooter, like hold the bar. Yeah, hold them like keep them like pushing forward. Yeah, keep them.
Okay.
You can do it. Where's Jordan?
Yeah, put some in the others as well.
Go down,
to do?
put it on, put it down all the way.
Got all the socks.
So that's where it's got to be. Right. That's in line. Make it straight.
Yeah. Come on.
So is that in line with it? Yeah, it looks like. Yeah, please.
June, mate. June.
Oh, what? Oh, babe, guess what one of these factories were?
What?
An onion warehouse.
Oh, good. Your favourite one?
Do the other one up, Jake, so you do them up together.
Don't do that tight yet.
No, put the other one up, then you can put them, tighten them up together.
Don't do that, bring it out, put it out.
That's it. Put the other one in, do it together.
Good girl.
Good advice.
So maybe bowed a bit.
No, it says the things on the top.
Fill them up, Ellie.
Start on.
Oh, good.
What's the appointment yesterday?
You what?
What's that appointment yesterday?
Yeah.
Wait.
35 minutes ago. I found it stomach and she went, she found where it was and then she did, it was like kneaded like dough.
I want to be like
Like that,
Metal
into
tiny.
me bit like that. Like where it was, couldn't move it up. I went to get off, so when I went to get off the bed, she was leading it like that. But when I,
Look, there's hardly any in that.
My whole
Get some
leg
of that
went
and put
dead.
some in there.
because you know when you get off of a bed, you land on one foot, you don't go both ways. I just went, because that leg, I haven't got no feeling in my foot.
Have you ever tried, what's the thing with your feet and they know what's wrong with you?
Pins and needles.
Like reflexology.
You hold it down. What's it called?
Reflexology?
Yeah.
No. Well, because they think it's stemming from like the disc, but she thinks there's not any fluid in the last but one disc.
Mummy.
So the vertebrae are going together.
Ellie, can you get me that camera?
So that's why I'm getting the dead leg and the knee.
Down there,
I've
Ellie,
had
down there.
3 X-rays,
Down there.
2 lots of blood tests and buttons.
Have you been recording it? Yep. Oh god.